Homemakers Furniture offers an all-inclusive in-home delivery service to all Iowa customers. If you've opted for the in-home delivery service at the time of your online or in-store purchase, you will receive a confirmation receipt or email stating the estimated date of your delivery. Our team will reach out 2 to 3 days before your delivery to confirm your delivery date and schedule a 2-hour time window. Your order will be removed from the factory packaging, inspected, and assembled by our experienced warehouse team prior to being loaded onto one of our Homemakers delivery trucks. On the day of your in-home delivery, our delivery team will give you a call when they are 15 minutes out from your home. Please ensure your space is prepared before your order arrives by removing old furniture and creating a clear path. Upon arrival, your delivery team will carefully carry and place your items into your home. For safety reasons, delivery personnel are required to wear shoes without shoe coverings at all times. All-inclusive in-home delivery from Homemakers Furniture is the simplest way to turn your house into a home. For more questions about our delivery or shipping options, please call us at 515-727-1370 or stop by our Des Moines location to chat with a sales specialist. Thank you for shopping at Homemakers.